Sound off.
Sir, I'm the letter V. I make the V sound, and that's all I do.
You only make the V sound, and nothing else?
Yes, sir. Nothing but V as in van. V-an, van.
Good one, letter V. I used to drive a van.
V as in vest. V-est, vest.
I used to wear a vest.
V as in violin. V-iolin, violin.
I used to play the violin.
V as in villain. V-illin, villain.
I used to be a villain. Nearly got me, didn't you, letter V? Nearly had me say I used to be a villain. Very cute. Well, here's a V word for you. V as in vanish.